friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today I am sharing another interesting snack recipe which is made using whole wheat flour or atta. These are pinwheel samosas or potato pinwheels. You can prepare these as a snack, or if you are preparing it for festive days, then pre-prepare it in advance and then bake it or fry it as needed. So let's see how to prepare it. Firstly, we'll prepare the dough. In a bowl, we'll take 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. To this, we'll add 1 tablespoon of Rava or Semolina. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain, which is Carom seeds. Then add salt as per taste. Mix everything well. And then in the center, we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using vegetable oil. You can even use desi ghee. Then we need to mix everything well. Then gradually add little water and knead little hard and firm dough. Here we have added approximately 1/3 cup of water and our dough is ready. Now we'll cover the dough with a moist cloth and we'll allow it to rest at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare stuffing. For this, heat 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Into this, we'll splatter cumin seeds or zira. Add chopped ginger and garlic. We'll saute it just for a few seconds on medium flame. To this, we'll add chopped green chili. This is completely optional. And then we'll add boiled potatoes. Here I'm using 3 boiled potatoes. Just mash it roughly and then add it. Into this, we'll add all the seasonings. Here goes turmeric powder or haldi, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt as per taste. And then we'll combine everything together. And then we'll add green peas. Also, we'll be adding half a teaspoon of amchur powder or the dry mango powder. Simply mix everything well and we'll cook it on medium flame for 5 minutes till our mixture becomes soft and mushy. Here is our potato stuffing ready. We'll allow it to cool down completely. We'll also mix 2 tablespoons of rice flour or chawal ka atta along with 1/4 cup of water to make a thin batter. Once done, keep it aside. It's been 20 minutes. After that, work on the dough for 1 to 2 more minutes. On the kitchen counter, spread little dry flour and then divide the dough in 2 equal portions. After that, roll out the dough with the help of a rolling pin. Roll it in a form of a thin sheet. Ensure to even out the edges and it's done. After rolling, we'll place our prepared potato pea stuffing in it. Spread it gently with the help of your hand. Apply a generous amount of this potato stuffing which we had prepared. After that, we need to roll it out like this so that the stuffing is intact. Roll it out for 1 to 2 more times. And then we'll slit out the edges. With the help of a sharp knife, we'll cut 1/2 inch pieces in this way. Ensure not to cut thick pieces. And here it goes. So now I'll show you one piece of it. Just have a closer look at it. Just shape it in a circle form like this and flatten it up with the help of your palm. And this is your first pinwheel samosa ready. Likewise, we'll shape all the pinwheels and we'll flatten it out like this. Further, we'll take our prepared rice flour slurry. Dip the pinwheel samosa in this rice flour paste and coat it from both the sides. Likewise, we have prepared all the pinwheel samosas. Now you have an option of deep frying this or you can bake it. Obviously, we'll be choosing the baking options. We'll be baking these in my air fryer. So I'll place all the pinwheel samosa in the air fryer basket. I've already preheated the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After that, we'll air fry these pinwheels at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes first. If you are baking these pinwheels in an oven, then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 18 to 20 minutes until these are golden brown and crisp. It's been 8 minutes. After that, we'll brush all the pinwheels samosas with little oil to give a nice sheen to it. Flip the samosas and then brush it the other side as well. We'll air fry these for 2 more minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until these are crisp and get a nice golden color. However, you can bake these pinwheels as per your taste and liking. It's been 10 minutes and our healthy baked pinwheel samosas are ready to serve. Here is a closer look of our healthy pinwheel samosas which we have made using whole wheat flour and not refined flour. You can serve it as an evening snack or a tea time snack. One can even store these pinwheels in refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. What you can do is that you can bake these pinwheels halfway and then store it in an airtight container. After that, when needed, you can bake it again. You will really like the taste of these crispy potato pinwheels, so do try it out. If you liked watching today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such interesting and healthy recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.